Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 10th, 2021. You guys can see on my screen, we are going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Clover Health Systems investments. You guys can see over here that we already did a price prediction in Clover Health investments not long ago. Now, before I break down the actual price prediction from our last video and give you all the update as to where we're expecting the market price to go, if you all appreciate it, hit the like button, share, subscribe here to the channel. We want you all to join our community because we're one of the best places to come and join to make sure that you are in position to win into the market. If not win, at least understand where the market is going to go so that you can make the applicable decisions in your own trading situation. We definitely want to enlarge our community so that we can continue to dominate the stock market. So if you want to win with us, it's free. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. We're here to make sure that everyone on our team wins, and we want you all to win with us. So real quick, let me talk about the last price prediction we did in Clover Health Investments, which was back here on April the 8th, 2021. You guys can see we played a strength in the market in Clover Health at that particular time, and the market definitely exceeded our price prediction. Now, I want to give you all this heads up though, that the market in Clover Health did go to the downside initially against our price prediction. It goes that way sometime, which is why I want you all to understand that we don't push stop losses, because you guys can see that we would have gotten stopped out of our price prediction right before the market went to the upside in price that we forecast, right? So the market ultimately came down here and held support around $7.25. We originally had our support area in the market in Clover Health around $8.20. So we was about, what, 75 cents away from actual market finding support. But again, that's why we don't play stop losses in the exchange, because they get to see our stop losses and they will actually take those out right before they take the market to where you expected it to go. So again, you guys can see here, maybe about a week into our price prediction, the market actually came through and hit our ultimate TP price, which was around 9.36% right there. Okay. So it didn't take long for the market to come through and hit our price prediction, which is always excellent. That's one of the things we like to do, is try to come in, get into the market, get the bag, and walk out the store with our profits. We don't like to hold these positions long. So congratulations to those who saw that video on that particular day. But now you all want to know what's going on into the market of Clover Health right now. You guys can see, let me zoom in on this daily time frame for you all right now. And you all can see here that the market in Clover Health did go higher in price the last 3 days. But now we're coming right back down to some more realistic prices. And as you can tell, the volume is on the increase here as well. We need to understand what is going on into the market in Clover Health. What caused the market to go high in price in Clover Health the last 2 or 3 days? There's only one thing that could allow this market to go higher, and it is selling. All right. Selling is what caused the market to go high in price. While everyone was expecting the market price to go higher, we had the trap going through and distributing his shares of Clover Health into the market. So now the demand is gone. The interest of this particular stock is now waning. So when you look at this market in Clover Health on a 3-day time frame, I want to show you all how weak this market looks. We have 21 hours and 18 minutes left before this current 3-day price bar ends, and that is definitely giving us a lot of weakness here. So I'm not really at all that bullish into the market in Clover Health right now, and you shouldn't be either. I mean, when you see this much volume, when you see the market price on the 3-day time frame closing on the low of the bar, that all indicates to us that this market in Clover Health is weak. This is Clover Health on the 5-day time frame. Look how we closed. We closed well off the highs into the market in Clover Health on this last completed 5-day price bar, which is right here. So now, how low do you think the market can go before we actually see some support? Because I can see some support try to come through the market in Clover Health right there around $13.50. So when we put in this price prediction, I want you all to see that $13.50 area as our first initial area TP. We're going to expect the market price to come down to $13.50, hold support, and try to move higher from there. That's our first area that we will come through and take the bag. Now, the second area would be all the way down here towards 12. Okay. So we already have our two areas to where we'll come into the market and take the bag from the trap. $13.50. Second area is going to be 12. So let's run this by you all real quick, because we're going to play the weakness into the market in Clover Health. Okay. So now we said that $12 would be our ultimate TP price. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so that would give us about 17% profitability into the market in Clover Health. Our restriction area, you guys can see, has already been created for us, right there around $17.20. So let's go ahead and run that by there too. So we're going to do around $17.20, and that would be a loss of about 18% if the market goes up to that particular price and maintains the strength. But like I told you, on the 3-day time frame, you can even see it on the 2-day time frame, that this market in Clover Health is extremely weak. So we're going to have to play that, right? We're not going to be fooled into thinking that the market in Clover Health is a buy right now, because it is not displaying that on these price charts. So we have to follow the market. We have to follow the chart, and that's what we're going to do here. Okay. So now let me bring this in. And then I want you all to give me your price prediction into the market in Clover Health over the next couple of days. Okay. Bring this. I'm trying to get this on the close from today's trading. So bear with me real quick. Okay, you see that? So we're going to play the weakness into the market in Clover Health. Our first area of TP is going to be $13.50. Second area is going to be $12. So let's go ahead and move that up to around 12. And our restriction area is around 17. Okay. So that is it. We're in position into the market in Clover Health. This is over the next couple of trading days. I would say the next 5 trading days, we're expecting the market in Clover Health to continue to give us some weakness. I'm not that extremely bearish. Now, if we break $12 to the downside, then definitely we'll have some things to talk about into the market in Clover Health. But as of this particular moment, I'm not too concerned with that just yet. But it's definitely something that needs to be in the forefront as we see this market trade the rest of this week, going into next week as well. All right. So for yourself, drop a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do y'all think the market price in Clover Health is going to go in the next 5 days? In 5 days, where will the price be? Because for us, it is very important for us to get in position so that we can dominate the space and win amongst everyone else. So I want you all to tell me, where will the price be? And as always, make sure you maintain a profitability. See you all on the next one.